As the school are currently undergoing a period of refurbishment, Sunbelt Rentals and Mitie have worked together to provide a temporary structure and all the equipment to facilitate it. This includes power, HVAC, access ways such as trackway, powered access, plants, the welfare facility and the plumbing.
It's been a very good experience working with Sunbelt. They managed to really help us, offering a bespoke solution really for quite a niche issue and quite a niche site. Really from the design phase have managed to flesh out options that would potentially be outside of our usual day-to-day practice, and a real strength of theirs have been able to articulate that in order for us to give it to the school as sort of a client.
We've pulled resource from across all specialist areas within Sunbelt, and this has allowed our project management team to put together a bespoke end-to-end service for projects like this and others across the UK. The relationship between Sunbelt and Mitie started during the Test and Trace project, which is one of the largest temporary infrastructure projects in the UK at the time, and obviously very important due to the situation with COVID. Since then, we've developed an understanding of the shared visions and the values that we have as a business, particularly around ESG, sustainability and innovation.
Sunbelt were able to provide innovative and a sustainable solution that not only helps the local environment with a battery pack which is being powered overnight to be able to deliver power to the project long term, which we hadn't considered before that.
We've worked together with the Mitie team to try and fully understand the needs of their client in order to provide a bespoke solution that allows them to carry on with the works they need to do on the school itself. We believe a collaborative approach is the best way to go, and it certainly is working, as you can see.